What's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Ayala, and today I am back with another video. And as you guys seen by that title, you already know what this video is going to be about. I am going to be doing some goddess braids on my natural hair. I really don't know if they're goddess braids or boho braids. I think they're really the same thing. But we're going to get right into this video. But before we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on so that you can be notified every single time I drop a new video. And also follow my social medias. These are the only two social medias that I use, so definitely make sure to check me out. So if you've already been watching my video, you already know that any style that I do, I always like to pre-part. It just makes the style go a lot quicker. So that's what I'm doing right now, just pre-parting. The edge control that I'll be using is the instant control. That's the only edge control that I use. So I finished pre-parting my hair, and I just basically parted it like I part any other style, except when I got to the top I kind of just did a little bit of random, but it still came out pretty nice. I actually ended up doing the first few rows off camera, but this is what it's looking like so far. You really have to trust the process when doing this style, because when I was looking at it, I was like, I don't know if I'm really gonna like this, but as I went on, it just looks so much better. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it step by step. It's really easy, really simple. So what I'm gonna do is just put some of that edge control just to sleek down that section, and then once I sleek down that section, you just want to grab a comb and detangle it just a little bit. So you basically just start braiding your natural hair. Once you braid down a few times, you want to take a piece of hair out from one of the three strands and just leave it out, and then continue braiding. Once you get about halfway or a third of the quarter way, then you want to take out another piece and then just braid that all the way to the bottom as far as you can, and then just leave a little bit of hair unbraided so that you can curl that up. So what you want to do with those pieces that you took out of the braid and also the end of the braid, you just want to spray it with the spray bottle just to wet it a little bit, and add any type of leave-in conditioner or moisturizer that you have, and just kind of play with it to get your hair curly, or even if you just want it to be a little textured so it's not super frizzy, you can do that. I tried to get my hair a little curly, but I really wasn't going for like the super wet curly look because I wanted it to have some volume. So that's pretty much what you do. I'll show you guys a few more times throughout this video, so just so you guys can see the process and how it starts to look as I go on. Also, when you first do this style, the braids are going to be a little stiff just because you start off tight at the root. So once your hair actually grows in, or even if you just give it about 2 to 3 days, it'll loosen up a little bit. So again, you just want to start off by braiding your hair. Once you braid down just a few times, then you want to take a piece of hair out and continue braiding. Once you get a third of the way through the braid, you want to take out another piece and then just continue braiding all the way down to the bottom. And once you get to the bottom, you want to just leave a piece unbraided so that you can curl that up. And then I'm just taking my spray bottle, wetting my hair a little bit, and applying some of that leave-in conditioner to get those pieces to curl up a little bit. The texture of my hair at the top is a little different from the rest of my head because it's a little heat damage. So if you see that the pieces are a little straight, that is why. You already know I gotta have a little bit of baby hairs, so I'm just gonna go in and do my edges. So this is the final look, you guys. I love them. They're so cute, so easy to do. I literally only took about like 2.5 hours to do this entire style. So it's really easy, really simple to do. Anybody can do this on their natural hair, and I'm so glad that it looks good on my 4-type hair. I didn't see anybody else do this on 4-type hair, so if you're a 4-type hair girl and you want to do this style, you can do it. It's probably gonna come out very similar to this. Very similar to this. I didn't really do too much for the curls because I don't really care about it being super curly. I kind of wanted it to have like that volume, so when it gets frizzy, I'm definitely gonna have that. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, also comment down below and share this with a best friend. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do that. And turn your post notifications on so that you can be notified every single time I drop a new video. Also, make sure to follow my social medias. They'll be right here on the screen. These are my only 2 social medias, so follow me. And also, I am going to do like a day 1, day 3, day 6 update on these so you guys can see how they look as they get older and as they actually get a little bit frizzier, because I feel like they're gonna look even cuter when they get a little bit frizzier. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and blessings.